Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to enable reduce motion on Roblox app. If you want to enable the reduce motion effect on Roblox, then the process is quite easy. First of all, open up the Roblox app on your device and from the home page, tap on the More button at the bottom right. Inside the More menu, go ahead and tap on Settings. Now, under Settings, tap on Device Preferences. Inside Device Preferences, toggle on the button right next to Reduce Motion. Right after you turn this button on, the changes will automatically be saved. And that's it. You can now get back to your game. You have successfully enabled Reduce Motion on Roblox. This should make your gaming experience much more comfortable, especially for those who prefer fewer animations. So if this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more Roblox tutorials. Thank you for watching.